bebe ko! Happy Sunday! Welcome to another vlog! I'm with bebe girl. Hi bebe! So we are heading to the mall to go have breakfast muna sa IKEA. Tapos we're going to Carrefour to buy some ingredients. Kasi nagre-request si Habi po ng almond cake. Almond ba or ano? Walnut? Ah? Walnut? Okay. So walnut cake ang gusto niya. And kulang ko ng ingredients that I need some dates and rolled oats. Tapos, we also need to buy a gift for a friend kasi may attendan kaming birthday. So, bali wala namang celebration si Habibu. Ano lang siya. Tag doon, magluluto siya tonight. Pero, wala. Kung ano lang trip niya lutuin. Ganun naman siya eh. So, umalis sila ni Bebe Boy. They had to deep dive Dubai. Deep dive Dubai para mag-dive together. Yun na yung pinaka-celebration niya. Diving. Wala nang iba. Right, Bebe Girl? Kami naman ni Bebe Girl, kakain sa labas, right? Wait lang, may tao sa likod. Maatrasan natin si Koya, katakot. And the road is so empty. Ang saya mag-drive pag ganito. Walang ibang sasakyan. I think kasi holiday bukas, kaya either gumala ang mga cars or mga cars talaga. Or nagpapahinga ang mga tao. Ayan, almost na kami sa mall. Tapos nag-U-turn kami. Pabalik kami sa bahay because there's a delivery. So, ayun, I think may payment siya. Kaya kailangan namin bumalik. Kaloka. Right, bebe? Kung kailan nakaalis na tayo. Tsaka sila magdatingan and I think there's OTP needed also. Nandun na siya. So, I said 2-3 minutes. Yun nga, kailangan ng payment. Meron ba ako dito? Bigay ko ng 15. Lady yung antog din, lady yung nag-deliver. And she has a kid with her. Kaya sabi ko, keep the change. Nakuha ko na pero hindi ko na ipinasok sa bahay kasi tinatamad na ako. Charot. And she's backing up. She occupied my parking. So, kailangan niyang umatras. So, paalis na lang din naman kami. Kaya, push. Drive mode ulit. Okay lang naman kasi hindi naman ma-traffic. Diba? Yun lang, ikot-ikot. Sayang gas, pero tiis pangit. That's life. Di na lang sabay na silang dumating kasi mai-stress ako. Maiiwan yung isa. Sana yun? Ba't hindi na umandar ang weather, guys? Mainit, pero masarap. Tiyara. Anong lasa? Oof, si Bebe Girl yun pa rin yung damit niya kasi favorite. Ayan. Hello, Aljimmy. Aljimmy mo. That as a gift?
I think so.
Oh, this one na lang. Sino to? Aso ba to?
Doggy.
Ay, ang cute. May bees doon sa nose ni Panda Kepa. What gift should we buy for her? Hello, ang cute. Oh, look at this bear. Yuck. I'm scared.
It's just a doo-doo.
I know, but it's too much. Ayun, wait. Balik mo. Here. Then meron silang tapsilog.
What's
Filipino breakfast. Meron din silang ensalatang talong at saka Filipino pasta salad. Ay, may buko pandan, B. Pero parang konti. Yung breakfast na nakakatakam. Yun yung Filipino nila, yung tapsilog. Yummers. Meron din silang turon, guys. Turon at saka lumpia. Okay na to. Ano ba, Bebe Girl? Kain tayo. Ayan guys, kain tayo. Thank you, Bebe Girl. Grabe, sobrang busog namin, guys. Si Bebe Girl, hindi kanya maubos yung kanya.
have a big meal?
Ang 15 dirhams na breakfast. 2 itlog, mushroom, hash brown, sausages. Guys, pangarap ko tong bowl na to. Matagal ko na tong binabalik-balikan dito sa IKEA. I think it's finally time to buy it. Should I?
Yeah.
Should I get it?
Yeah.
59 dirhams. Ayan siya. Blanda mat. Right? Kuha tayong isa.
Bamboo for a better tomorrow.
Oo nga, no. May mas maliit. Yung ganyan, 39. Kasi hindi ko alam kung anong gagamitin ko dyan. Ito na lang kasi pwede tayong magpa-proof ng dough. Big girl got a burrito for Lola. You give that throw pillow to Lola. Ako, ito. Nakita kong vlogger kasi nakakahiya naman mag-hi. Si Rai in Alain. Ano? Ride with Rai. May mga nadagdag pa kami. This is $195. Yung ano nilalagay sa ilalim ng paa ng mga upuan. Tapos eto $1 dirham. The keychain na ano, phone stand. So ayan, ito na nakita kong pinakamura. 15. May dates ako tumigas kaya ano. Ito na lang. Or I need to buy something per piece lang. Pwede naman siguro. Pero yeah, kunin natin ito. Nandito kami sa Carrefour ni Bebe Girl. Ito yung mga binili namin. Habang naglalakad kami, ano, yung tawag doon, may dalawang locals na nag-hi sa akin. Sabi niya, napapanood daw niya ako sa TikTok na, oh, quarterly ako ng bigla. Uy. Pero I'm happy na ano, yung tawag dito. Bebe Girl, come on! Siya na yung nagsuot ng bagelya ko. Pero nakaka-happy na, ang tawag dito, may mag-hi sa'yo ba? Na nakilala ako, ganun. Pero awkward din, no? Talaga siya sa person. I finally found the rolled oats of all this stuff right here. This is the one hiding and the most important that I needed. This and this. We only came for dates and rolled oats, and look what we ended up with. A lot of stuff. So yeah, let's go back home.
It looks like she's kind of like it kind of
You look like
looks
Santa Claus?
Santa Claus trying to carry a bag of presents. Let's go.
Stop it. So ayan, nandito na kayo sa Miniso ni Bebe Girl. And may nag-hi na naman. Naya ako. I'm shy. Wala, nahiya tuloy yung person. That's cute, right? You
They're
like
only
it?
12 dirham.
They're only 12. There may blue sa baba, oh. You like that color, right?
Elephant.
It's fluffy.
26 dirham.
Ay, ala. Ang cute. Meron siyang bead sa loob. Ito talaga yung mga araw na hindi mo ina-expect na merong magsisay hi or may mamimit kang friends, gano'n. Tapos puro ka ano, ang tawag dito, breakout and haggard overload ang peg. So yeah, I was like, okay, let's just wear something, go have breakfast, and then bibili tayo ng something. Pero hindi. Iba ang plano ng universe. I have to meet some people I know. Some kids of my friends and everything. So yeah, kaloka. Pero yeah, next time mag-aayos tayo ng very slight. Wala pa nga akong lotion. Grabe.
You're not expected to make them.
Yeah, right? Tapos may mga bags pa akong dala na para daw akong Santa, sabi ni Baby Girl. Mama, you're carrying the sack of Santa. Diyos ko, nakakaloka. Dapat pala nag-shopping muna tayo bago tayo nag-grocery, diba? Para hindi ko siya bit.
Sandra.
What to do? That's life. So, ayun. Time check, it's 12:25 na. Hindi kami umabot. If 5 hours kami doon, magbabayad kami ng parking. So far, ano lang, 2.5. Ay, hindi pa nga 2.5. Mga less than 2.5. So, ayun na. I think I will end this vlog, guys, because I think I will do a separate one for later. Tignan natin. Kung hindi, itutuloy natin. So, yeah, push. Hi, babies. Good morning. So, yeah, we are having breakfast here in IKEA. And I'm eating tapsilog. So, this is like marinated beef. It's a Filipino recipe. So, yeah. I'm just really so happy that they include Filipino dish in IKEA, you know what I mean? Because it's a Swedish restaurant, said Bebe Girl. But yeah, let's eat. Let's enjoy the food. Happy Sunday, people.